From the top menu bar, we go to Boundaries, River, and go to layer number 1. View layer, this one. Okay. Now we go to Assign, Line, and we start from this point. So this is the first point, the second one, the third one. Traditionally, the river boundary condition has required a value for the conductance for the river bed. However, the conductance value for each grid cell depends on the length and width of the river as it passes through each grid cell. Therefore, in a model such as this, with different sizes of grid cells, the conductance value will change depending on the grid cell size. In order to accommodate this type of scenario, Visual modflow allows you to enter the actual physical dimensions of the river at the start point and end point of the line, and then calculates the appropriate conductance value for each grid cell according to the standard formula. So we type the following information for the river boundary conditions. Now we're at the start point, so we have to input the following data. The stop time 7300, river stage 16, and riverbed bottom is 15.5, riverbed thickness 0.1, and we have riverbed kz equals to 1 to the power minus 4. River width it's 25. Now we go to the end point. We have the river stage 15.5, riverbed bottom 15, and we have riverbed thickness, which is also 0.1. Kz 1 multiplied to the power minus 4. River width 25. Now we click on OK. After the river boundary condition has been defined, the river grid cells are now colored in blue. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe.